Yep, that is right. I am going to be talking about the Dial Antibacterial Hand Soap. I surely am. The main reason why I use this soap is because I can't use any fragrant soap on my hands sometimes. It breaks me out depending on the brand and stuff, but I use this soap because, for one, it's antibacterial and it doesn't have any fragrance in it. I feel like if I use the soap that has fragrance in it and then apply my facial cleanser, my medication, my face will break out in hives. So I was like, okay, what can I use that's really good for my hands and also that doesn't have anything harsh in it as far as, like, fragrance or anything, and it might mess up with me washing my face, and my hands are clean, most importantly. So I actually asked my dermatologist, and she asked me, what soap do you use, to wash your hands with? And I told her I use this Dial, the gold antibacterial one. And she said, okay, that's perfect. Just don't use anything, with fragrance, because it can trigger up your acne. And I've been using this for years. And I actually got the big bottle of it to refill. I refill the one bottle of it. I'll use this about 2 times and I throw it away, and then I get a new fresh bottle. But this has lasted me for a very long time. Sometimes when I haven't bought the bottle, I will literally use this one, and it's really you're saving money as well when you buy one big like that. And I had to hurry up and get it. So I know they have one with some type of oil, I think, but I can't use that one because I feel like another thing, my face would trigger due to me using something that isn't fragrance free. But the back, it says, these are the ingredients on the back and the directions. But yeah, I have used this soap for a while. At first, what soap did I use? I think I used Dial but something scented, and I felt like that was part of me triggering my skin as well. So I was like, okay, I need to use a soap that doesn't have any fragrance in it. And I don't know, it just triggered to me. Like, nobody really came out and told me anything. Like, when I was on a journey of trying to find a solution to bring my acne down to a stop, I was like, okay, I'm using these products. Maybe I need to switch over a scented soap and something that's not scented, something that can, clean my hands off, where it gives my hands a clean feel, but isn't harsh. That makes sense. So I understand, it can be a journey, especially when you dealt with acne. It can, it's a trip, honestly. And just for, if you not necessarily have acne, but if you just want to use a soap that cleans off your hands and it gives you that clean feel, try the gold antibacterial hand soap by Dial. If you're one of those people that are blessed and lucky and don't really have to worry about what particular products you use for your face, or if you don't have acne, I mean, they have other good smelling ones as well. My mom actually bought a scented one of Dial. I don't really know the name, which is Dial. That's a big help. But I know Dial has a lot of good smell goods of soaps. I believe one is a foam. They have a foam soap where it looks really foamy, like a foaming cleanser, cleansing facial one by CeraVe. It's something similar like that, but you can see the foam in it. It has a pump where you see the foam. On the CeraVe one, which is for face, you gotta kind of put it under some water, but the other one is it's automatically foamy. And I don't know if they have a foamy one. I don't know if they have a foam soap of this particular one, but if they did, I'm good with that. I'll just stick with this. It's something that I'm used to, and what I know that won't trigger my face. And I mean, it's like soap. I mean, it comes out orange, and soap. You know how soap is. And it smells clean. It smells like your hands are about to be clean. It doesn't really have a particular smell to it. I mean, it's not really fragrance. It just has it's antibacterial, so you don't have to worry about anything, harsh, or might trigger your medication or anything that you use when you're washing your face and when you're washing your hands. So definitely try this. And to save money, also get the big bottle too, so you can, you know, do a refill. But you can only do a refill with this. You can only do a refill with this one. This is it. That's why it says use only with Dial Total Clean formula. So see that new active total clean formula. See that? Just use this. Recommend just use these.